Which of the following is not a benefit of the use of iron folic acid in pregnant women? A. Maintains the stability of the blood level. B. Supplies energy at per and post-delivery stage. C. Prevents from infectious disease. D. Compensates. Answer is C. Prevents from infectious disease. Average norm of calories and protein in hot-cooked meals provided for preschool children in the Anganwadi center is A. 555.32 and 15.94. B. 550.32 and 15.90. C. 545.32 and 14.90. D. None of these. Answer is 555.32 and 15.90. Which of the following is not an effect of efficiency of iron? A. Bleeding of gum. B. Loss of energy to work. C. Birth of low-weight child. D. Anemia. Answer is A. Bleeding of gum. Siddha system of medicine which takes into account the patient's environment, age, sex, race, physiological constitution etc. is practiced in which state of India? A. Haryana. B. Meghalaya. C. Bihar. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer is D. Tamil Nadu. The first vaccine for polio was developed by A. James Lind. B. John Salk. C. Ronald Ross. D. Walter Reed. Answer is B. John Salk. To achieve goals, organizations require employees. A. Control. B. Direction. C. Commitment. D. Supervision. Answer is C. Commitment. Which of the following is not reason behind lack of nutrition among women of productive age? A. Poverty in the family. B. Gender discrimination. C. Want of balanced diet. D. None of these. Answer is C. Want of balanced diet. Deficiency of vitamin D is not the cause of which of the following? A. Delirium. B. Osteomalacia. C. Pain in waist, leg and hip joint. D. Bending of leg bone. Answer is A. Delirium. Human resource management aims at maximizing employees as well as organization. A. Effectiveness. B. Efficiency. C. Economic. D. Elasticity. Answer is A. Effectiveness. Which of the following departments of the Government of India is not associated with the national campaign of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao? A. Women and Child Department. B. Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Human Resources Development. D. Health and Family Welfare. Answer is C. Human Resources Development. Which of the following is not one of the 6 packages of ICDAs? A. Distribution of iron folic acid in anemic children. B. Non-formal preschool education. C. Immunization. D. SNP. Answer is SNP. Which of the following dal has comparatively the least protein content? A. Arhar. B. Chana. C. Kandul. D. Bhuta. Answer is C. Kandul. The ASHA, who act as a link between the health centers and the villages to provide effective healthcare to the rural population, stands for A. Accredited Social Health Assistant. B. Associate Social Health Assistant. C. Advanced Social Health Associated. D. Accredited Social Health Activists. Answer is D. Accredited Social Health Activists. The climate is the average atmospheric conditions of an area over a considerable period of time. For proper conclusions, observation are needed for a minimum period of A. 5 years. B. 10 years. C. 20 years. D. 35 years. Which of the following statements is not true of the scheme, Arunima? A. Preschool education is provided to children between 3 to 6 years of age for 3 hours a day in the morning. B. It aims at ensuring social, emotional, cognitive, physical and aesthetic development of the child in local culture and practices. C. It takes care of development of good physique, muscular coordination and basic motor skill of the child. D. None of these. The ICDAs, the world's largest and most unique program for early childhood development, was launched on A. The 26th of January, 1981. B. The 14th of November 1979. C. The 2nd of October 1975. D. The 30th of January 1983. The Ayurveda system of medicine, which is based on the Tridosha theory, defines disease as the cause of inequilibrium in 3 dosha, humus, namely A. Wind, gall and mucus. B. Blood, stool and urine. C. Wind, stool and mucus. D. Stool, urine and wind. Answer is A. Wind, gall and mucus. Which Indian state has a dry season for only 3 to 4 months every year? A. West Bengal. B. Mizoram. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Kerala. Answer is D. Kerala. Which of the following is not an objective of the Biju Kanya Ratna Yojana recently launched by the government of Odisha? A. Prohibiting gender-biased sex determination. B. Providing free college education to girls. C. Ensuring security, survival, health and nutrition of girl child. D. Ensuring education and retention of girl child in school. Answer is A. Prohibiting gender-biased sex determination. The most important factor that affect the climate around the world is A. Distance from the sea. B. Direction of prevailing wind. C. Proximity to the equator. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. Which of the following is not a function of an Anganwadi center? A. Children's Day. B. Parents' Meeting. C. Grandparents' Day. D. None of these. Answer is A. Children's Day. After 4.5 years of age, normal Indian child grows in height until the age of 12 years at the rate of about A. 6.0 centimeters per year. B. 5.0 centimeters per year. C. 4.5 centimeters per year. D. None of these. Answer is B. 5.0 centimeters per year.